Hi everyone, today's video I'll show you how to add a basic zoom in and out effect in DaVinci Resolve. Let's dive right in. First, move your timeline slider to where you want your video to zoom in effect to start. Next, go to Inspector panel and click the keyframe button beside the zoom and position. Now, move your timeline slider ahead a few seconds. Then increase the zoom value and adjust the X and Y positions to center the subject. You'll now see a smooth zoom in effect added to your video. To zoom back out, move your timeline slider to where you want the zoom out effect to begin. Click the keyframe button for zoom and position again. Next, move your timeline slider ahead a few more seconds and reduce the zoom value to zoom out. Don't forget to adjust the position controls to recenter the frame. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've created a smooth zoom in and out effect in DaVinci Resolve. If this found video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome editing tips. Thanks for watching.